Hey, what's up guys? It's your favorite YouTuber here, back with another video. It's been a long time, but let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna do today. So today, we're gonna be switching out this old radio from a 1999 Ford Ranger, and we're gonna put an aftermarket one, and I'm gonna show you guys the process on how to take it off. Now this, I already took it off, but this is an old Ranger, so these bolts down here, this is a common thing. Where they at? Oh, right here, sorry. So there's two bolts right there that are supposed to come off. Mine are broken, so it doesn't matter, but as you can see right there, those two are supposed to come off. And you're going to take this black bezel out, and it's going to be connected right here to the cigarette port. Now there's another cigarette port over here, and it's broken as well. And then this connection right here is going to be connected to our stock radio right down here. Oh, there it goes. And that's why we're replacing it. So you're just going to go ahead and disconnect those, and then it should slide out. Also, this has the locking mechanism right there, those two little holes, so that you don't have to take the bezel out itself. You just take off the radio. But since it's broken, we went ahead and took everything off, so that's not a problem. So we already came back over here. We measured what connector is going to fit onto the stock OEM connector, which it ended up being this white one. I went ahead and got it at Walmart. It was about $7. Came with all these different little connectors. Just make sure if your truck or car, SUV, whatever you guys have, make sure before you connect and solder or quick connect any connectors that it's the correct one that fits on there. That way you can connect this to your new radio and there won't be any problems with that. These right here are the two kits that I'm going to be using. This is the harness that came with 4 different harnesses. Make sure you match yours up. Make sure it also says what vehicle it fits you. There's 2 different ones. There should be a label on the back. It should tell you what kind of vehicles it fits. Just make sure yours is on here. And we're gonna go ahead and use this dash kit. This fits a single and a double din. Since we have a double din right now, which is this one right here. It's a little cheapy one, but it's something for now until I'm able to get a double din. Since I know I was gonna go a double din, I made sure to get both of them for when I go ahead and get the double din one. And then also it says right there, ooh, it actually says it doesn't fit. So my dumbass got the wrong dash kit. So we're gonna go ahead and connect everything else, hook everything up for now, then go and return the old one and install it. For me, it's gonna take a while. For you guys, it's gonna be a couple of seconds, but let's just go ahead and dive right in. If you look at your wiring diagram, which the box shows you right here on the side, has it in English and in Spanish. I think that's Spanish at least. Yeah. You're gonna see what each wire on your actual connector, this one, what it actually means. So right here we're gonna go with red, the ignition, the yellow, the memory and battery constant, your black, your ground, and your blue, your power antenna. That's the main ones. All of the rest of them are gonna be on your speakers. If you come over here to your stereo, it should be all the same wires. You have your positive, your memory, and your black, your ground, which are your main ones. This one's usually, I usually connect it for an aftermarket subwoofer system, but we're not installing any of that. We're just installing the radio. Now the rest of these are gonna be your speaker wires. I already went ahead and put the butt connectors, which is not my best work. I usually like soldering them, but this is a quick and easy way to connect them. All you need is some wire strippers, and you're gonna crimp them right there, or if you have wire crimpers, even better. And then if you look over here, there's gonna be 2 of the same color, but one is gonna have a black line like this one right here. So basically the solid illuminated one is gonna be your positive, and the one with the black stripe is gonna be your negative. And if you come over here to your wiring diagram, you're gonna wire them the same way. You see black and green, negative, positive, it's the straight green color. And it's gonna go for the gray and the gray with black, the white with white and black, and your purple and purple with black. The orange one's gonna be the illumination. This stereo doesn't come with an illumination, so we're not gonna use that one at all. We're going to tape it off. The yellow one's gonna be the battery, the red the constant, and the black the power. So we're gonna go ahead and connect these, and I'll show you guys what the end product looks like. All right, so this is what the end result looks like. All the wires are connected except for the orange illumination one and the blue power to the amp. So everything is connected. I also went ahead and test mounted it on my center console here. It's gonna have the gap up here until I'm able to go get that dash kit and go ahead and put it on. It's just gonna be like a little cubby. or I might just end up leaving it like that since I'm gonna go double din eventually. But yeah, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. It has these little tabs so you can pull up and it could stick onto the plastic pieces so it doesn't slide out, and the bottom as well. But if I jump or hit a big bump, it's gonna slide up. It's not a problem. I don't really care. It's a work truck anyways. But this is eventually the end product. Now the only thing left is to go and put it on the truck. All right, guys, as you can see, I went ahead and got the antenna hooked up. I got my cigarette lighter hooked up. I got my wires connected right there. And I went ahead and it's already installed onto the dash. So we're gonna put it on and it should just slide right on. See if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Now remember the 2 screws that are down here, it doesn't matter because they're broken anyways. So it's gonna be pretty much sitting like that. Then we get our key and we turn it on, and then the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the whole truck because of the AC. Okay, turned on and off. Turn back on. So we got Bluetooth. Switch it to AM, FM, I'm sorry. So we got some noise. Let's go ahead and switch it to a station. Let's go ahead and go 98.5. Alright, we can hear it working. Make sure to cycle through the functions, your bass, your treble, your left and right. Make sure you connected them correctly, which there shouldn't be a problem since it's basically plug and play. Your front and your back, your rears, I have loud on, and it's basically my user, and then that's it. And to go ahead and to connect to your Bluetooth, if it's Bluetooth, just go ahead and follow the instructions. Mine's right here. It just says mode. It says not paired because I have my Bluetooth disconnected, but I just go ahead and turn it on. Mine is the password is 1234. It could be either 0000, but if you read your radio's user manual, but more or less those should be both of the passwords to connect to a radio. And we can also manually turn it off. It says goodbye. Manually turn it on. I think we just click it once, and there you have it. This is my 1999 Ford Ranger standard base model. Bye bye old radio, hello new radio. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.